Hello everyone, hope all are fine. Today let's start with some questions based on analogy and classification. Yesterday I have sent you some notes. I hope you have already gone through it. It's very important notes. This note based on this chapter only. You'll get all the theoretical knowledge, and I have done some sums also there in the notes. So I suggest you to go through it very properly so that you can understand this chapter in a better way. Now let's start with some problems here. Now the question is based on analogy and classification. See, here I have given you around 15 sums. We are going to solve around 15 sums. So there are thousands, hundreds, I can say, thousands of questions which we can solve. There is no fixed rule here, no fixed rule, no formula here. So one can solve this one based on your own understanding. But provided you make some pattern or some law, like every question will be given in some pattern, there will be some law here. Let's check question number one. Like suppose I said 43 is to 57, double is to 111 is to question mark. If you see this particular problem, there is some law which has been applied here in the first two terms. The same law we have to apply here and try to get the missing one. Now, the law, if they are numbers, generally what works is adding, subtraction, multiplying, division, sometimes square, cube. Like suppose I say 4 is to, this is not ratio, okay? This is not ratio. This is not ratio problems. Don't think in terms of ratio problem. This is not ratio. Some pattern is there, the same pattern we have to follow. 4 is to, suppose I have given you 16 equal to 5 is to 5 is to question mark. Like suppose in this particular problem, suppose I have 4 becomes 16, 5 will become 25. Yes or no? Because 4 square is 16. From here we can get a pattern. Here 5 will become 25. Suppose if I give you a 6, it will become 36. Because the pattern here is the square of the number is this. So here will be the square of this number. So this is how it goes. So every time this square will not work. Sometimes what we have to see, we have to add, we have to subtract. There are certain rules which we have to follow here. And one can do this problem based on, I already told you, based on your own understanding, based on your own logic. So let's see this sum. How do I do? You see here 43, 57, 111 question mark. Suppose 43. If I say 43, then 43, I can say 6 sevens are 42. 6 into 7. If I multiply two numbers, 6 into 7 or 7 6 are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Then what if I add 1? If I add 1, I'm getting how much? 43 is not a randomly whatever way I want. I'm just writing it here. So I'm going to see, I'm going to search some pattern here. Like suppose, let's say what is 57? 57 also, if I use the same logic here, the same logic should be applied here also. 67 also I can say na 7 into 8, 7 into 8, 7 into 8 equals to 56. 7 into 8 equals to 56, and if I add 1 in 56, I'm getting 57. 57. Now you see, two consecutive numbers, if I multiply, I'm getting 42, plus 1, if I add plus 1, I'm getting 43. Similarly, after 6, number comes is what? 7. 7, after 7, what comes is 8. 6 into 7, 42 plus 1, 43. 7 into 8, 56. 56 plus 1, 57. Similarly, what are the two consecutive numbers when I multiply, I get near about 111 before adding 1. Now I can say that 10 into 11, 10 into 11, 10 into 11 is equal to 110. 110. And if I add 1, it becomes 111. See, I'm getting some low. See, whatever is given, from here you will understand some pattern, you'll understand. So the same pattern try to use here. 10 into 11 is 110 plus 111. After 10, what comes? 11. After 10 comes 11. 11 into 11 into 12, because consecutive numbers, after 11 we have 12. 11 into 12 equals to 12 tens are 120 plus 12, it becomes 132. 132 plus, you add 1 again, it becomes how much? 133. So this is the right option, 133. Option number B is the right option. So this is how we can do. So I told you this is not only the way you can do. You can do in several other methods also, based on your own understanding. But from whatever is given, some rule is there which you have to understand. The same rule has to be applied in the question mark. Suppose I can do in a little different way. Let me say, like from here only, let me try to understand from here only. See, 6, when I square 6, 6 square is how much? 36. 36 plus how much is 43? 36 plus 7 is 43, equals to 43, is coming perfectly. Now let's say the same way, let me use a 57. 57, what can I say? 7 square is 49, the nearest perfect square. The nearest perfect square of 57 is 49. So 7 square gives you 49. 49 plus, see, 7, after that what do I have? 8. Is it not is coming 57? It's coming 49 plus 8 is 57. Similarly, what is the nearest perfect square of 111? 111 nearest perfect square is 100. So 10 square gives us 100. 10 square plus, after 10, what should I write here? 11. It's how much? 111. Let's check. Coming. Now the question mark will be definitely, see, after 6, 7 you wrote. After 7 you wrote 8. After 10, what you should write? 11. But you have to square it. 11 square plus 12. Consecutively. Is coming how much? 11 square is 121. 121 plus 12 is 133. So this is how we can solve this particular problem. So I have given you two methods in solving this problem. So it's up to you in what way you do it. So I'm telling you again, this is not only the two ways. You can do in any other way. Important is that you have to find out some pattern or some law which is given, which you can obtain from the given terms. Now let's check the second problems. Let's see the second problems. Now you see, AZBY is to CXDW, double is to EVFU is to question mark. Now whenever you see the first, this one you can say first word, first term, second term, third term, and fourth term is question mark. In the first term, you see the first letter A and you see this C. Some pattern. See, you have to understand, you have to look by yourself. Whenever you see in a serious, I have already given you in the notes, you have to observe the question with a serious eye. Then what you can see, you will understand by yourself what pattern is there. Like you see A and C, Z and X, B and D, Y and W. Some law has been used here. Like in order to get from A, in order to get C, I have to go 2 steps forward. I have to go 2 steps forward. A plus 2 is nothing but C. A plus 2 is nothing but C. Now, in order to go see Z and X, in order to go from Z to X, I have to go 2 steps backward. From Z, if I have to go to X, I have to go 2 steps backward. It becomes X. Now, you see from B, in order to go to D, I have to go 2 steps forward. B, C, D. Then I get D. Now you see Y and W. See, I have to go backward. In order to go to W from Y, I have to go backward. From Y minus 2 is W. See, I have made a rule here. Already we have made a rule here. A plus 2 is C, Z minus 2. See, if you're observing from here to here, everything you see from here to here, don't get mixed up. This to this, this to this, this to this, this to this. Similarly, E plus 2 is how much? What is E plus 2? E, F, G. So this can be the option because this is the first term is G. Let's check. What is V? The second term is minus 2. V minus 2. V minus 2 is T. You go now, V, you go backward 2 steps is T. F, the third term is plus 2. F plus 2. F, G, H plus 2 is H. Now from U, I have to go minus 2. The last term is minus 2. U minus 2 is how much? Is S. So this is the right option. This is how we can check. Now let's check question number 3. Power is to what? Double is to question is to question. Let's say power is to what? Definitely the unit of power is what? Unit means like power is measured in terms of what? Now let's check what can be filled. This means this is an analogy based on what? Units. Units. So pressure is to Newton. Can this fit here? Pressure Newton. No, Newton is the unit of force, not pressure. So this is not the right option. Pressure, what is the unit of pressure? Pascal. Number B, let's say force is to Pascal. So this is not correct because see, this is the unit of this. So Newton is not the unit of pressure. Pascal is not the unit of force. So I can't take this. MHO, mho. Mho is not the unit of resistance. Resistance unit is, resistance unit is ohm. OHM, ohm. You should know as a general knowledge. And option number D, work, joule. Yes, the unit of work is joule. So this is the correct one. It can fit here. So you should know power unit is watt, pressure unit is Pascal, force unit is Newton, resistance unit is ohm, and work unit is joule. This is the correct one. Now let's see. Now question number 4. Now you see here 9143 is to 9963, double is to 6731. So I told you, there is no specific rule. You try, you add the numbers, you subtract the numbers. You see here, if I add all the numbers, sometimes it works. Not sometimes, many times it works. Like just try adding the numbers. 9143. If you add 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3, 10 plus 7, 17. The sum of all the first term is 17. Now let's see, add the second terms. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 3, 27. Sum of the second terms is 27. Let's check. Sum of the first term, is it 17 or not? If it is 17, so we have to see the option where the sum of the second term we should get 27. Let's check. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So this sum of the first term is also 17. That means this rule, it works here. So we have to find out what is this question mark. Question mark means sum of all the terms, sum of all the numbers should give you 27. So let's check here. This one. Let's see. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So this cannot be because sum should be 27. 6, 6, 6, 6, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. This is not the option. Let me check here. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. Correct. So let me check this also. So this is the right option. Let me check this also. This 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 18 is 28. So this cannot be the right option. So the sum of the second term should give you 27. So this gives us 27. Sometimes you have to go option wise also. It's not necessary that you always solve and try to get the answer. Sometimes option wise also you have to check. So let me see question number 5. KLMN is to IJKL. Double is to TUVW is to question mark. Let's see. Again, let me see the first these two terms. This it works many times. So K and J, L and J, K and I mean L and J, M and K, L and N and L. Means what? If you see these two, na, it is going backward. I, J, K, L means what? I is the -2 of K. See, I'm seeing from here till here, na? So from K, in order to go to I need what? -2. -2. Similarly, you see L, J. This is also -2. M and K is also -2. N and L is also -2. So all these terms are the -2 of every term. First term is the -2 of the first term. Second term is the -2 of the L. K is -2 of M. L is -2 of N. So all these are -2 of this. So it is very obvious that what will be here? Whatever the terms here are the -2 of all this. What is the -2 of T? -2 of T will be R. RST will be R. So first one R is clear because T -2 is R. So you should know, though it's very simple, -2 plus 2, you should be fast in that. Like what is U? What is U -2? U -2 will be S. U -2 will be S. So next, what is V -2? V -2. V -2 will be T. T UV. So -2 will be T. So W, what is -2? W -2 will be U, UVW. So answer is RSTU. RSTU. So this is the right option. So let's go to next sum. So let's see question number 6. You see here, influenza is to virus, ringworm is to question mark. See, so this is a disease. Na? Influenza is a disease caused. This is the cause. Caused by what? Influenza is a disease caused by virus. Ringworm is the disease caused by. Ringworm is a disease caused by what? Bacteria, fungi, parasite, protozoa. Definitely what? Fungi. Ringworm is caused by fungi. Okay. Now parasite, malaria, right? Malaria is caused by parasite. Bacteria, there are so many. There are so many diseases which caused by bacteria like TB and all. Okay. So let's see question number. Let's see question number 7. So these are purely based on what? Purely based on your general knowledge. So your analogy and classification can also be based on what? General knowledge. So I have already given you in the notes. So let's see question number 7. Like you can see some of the diseases like cholera and all. It can be caused by protozoa. You can see all those types. You can see the disease caused by what? Like question number 7. Let's see. LMNO is to NQTW. GHIJ is to question mark. So let's see what is the pattern which is being used here. So I'll use the same concept which I used. L, how to get N? LMN. So means +2. L +2 is N. So it's working. Let's see. Next, MQ. So MNOPQ. So means what? M in if I go 4 steps. If I go 4 steps, I am getting what? Q. Am I not correct? Now let's see N. N and I have to add, oh yes, definitely I have to add MNO. O, P, Q, R, S, T means 6 steps I have to go. You can verify by yourself. N plus 6 is nothing but T. Verify it by yourself. O and W, definitely plus only. O plus how much is W? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W means 8 steps I have to go and I will reach to W. So you know the pattern. I thought you see here means first one is what? Plus 2, second one is plus 4, third one is plus 6, fourth one is plus 8 means this is the plus of even numbers. Similarly here G plus 2 is how much? Next H plus 4 is how much? I plus 6 is how much? Means the low is this. This is the low. Means this is the even numbers. Similarly, what is G plus 2? G plus 2 will be I, correct? So this in either of these two, yeah, no, these three. We have to check next. H, what is plus 4? H, I, J, K, L. L. L will be the plus 4 of H. So I, L. So I plus 6. Plus 6. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. O. I plus 6 is O. Similarly, J plus 8. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So, answer is this I, L, O, R. So, you see, this is how you can solve it. Now, let's see question number 8. Now, 103 is to this. Double is to 106 is to question mark. So, you see, if you know the square of number, I hope that you have understood whatever sir has done it, square of a number. Like 103 square is 10609. So what is 106 square? 106. I told you sometimes square will help. So how you know you have to use square? You have, I told you in the notes also I've given, you have to observe with a serious eye. So what you have to observe is what is the pattern? What is some law? What is the law which is being used here? You have to see this. Then only you can solve. Otherwise, you'll be stuck. You started adding, subtracting that for not for all the sums that concept works. So you should understand by yourself by looking the question in a proper way. 106 square is 11236. This is the right option. So here square of this is this. So square of this will be here. So let's see what is next question. In the following, find the odd one. Means from 9 up to 15, we have to find out the odd ones. Means this is the question based on classifications. Classification, which is different from others. That is called classification. Analogy means similarities. Some similarities, some similar shape, similar pattern, similar law. So these are called analogy. Classification means which is different. Means some in a group something will be different, so that we have to classify. So let's see question number 9. Which of the following are odd ones? Now here we have to go, we have to check all the options. D, F, O, U. So N, P, S, W, K, M, P, T, D, F, I, L. So you see M, 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 N, O, P, D, F, D, F, O, U. So you try adding. It's not like you compare two. You try adding means how many steps I need to go from D to F, you check. How many steps I need to go from F to O also you check. Or how many steps I need to go from O to U also you check. Like from D to F, I need what? D, E, F. So from D to F, I need two steps. I go to F. Now you see from F to O, how many steps you need from F to O? F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O means plus 9. You can count, you will reach O. Similarly, what is from O to U? O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, no. O, na? O to U. O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. means I need to go 6 steps. O plus 6 will give you U. So let me check here. N to P. N, if I add N OP means plus 2, I will reach to P. So this is okay. Now P to S, P Q R S means plus 3. I reach to S. Now S to W, S plus how much? S T U U V W means plus 4. I am reaching to W. So similarly, you see here is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. But here plus 2, plus 9, plus 6. So let me check the remaining are how do we reach from K to M? K L M. So it's not plus 2, plus 2. M to P. M N O P means plus 3. P to T plus 4. Check P Q R S T. So plus 2, plus 3. This is plus 3, plus 3. But this is plus 4. So let's see D to F. This is D E F plus 2. F G H I means plus 3. I J K L M means plus 4. You check. Means when you say plus 4, don't count I. After I, you see, after I, you have J, that is 1. K L M. The M is falling in the step number 4. So plus 4. So all these three are using what? Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Check. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Here also plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. But here is using plus 2, plus 9, plus 6. So this is the odd one. So this is the odd one, which shows some dissimilarities compared to other options. So this is the odd one. The question is find the odd one. So let's see question number 10. Question number 10 is not that difficult. You check here. It's very easy to make it out. See here, 286,166,495,583. If you check this question, what is happening? So don't say that this is even, but this is also odd. So it doesn't mean that find out the odd one doesn't mean that you're choosing the odd numbers here. Don't get that misconception. So odd one means which is different from others. So let's see here. See, the moment you see that there's somewhere, the moment you see these questions, if you try to observe with a serious eye, you will see some pattern has been used. See, the middle number you see 2 and 6. Middle number is 8. 1 and 6. Middle number is 6. 4 and 5. Middle number is 9. 5 and 3. Middle number is 8. So this is how you have to observe it. It will not come just by just simply looking, oh, what is this? So it will come by observing in a serious way. See, 2, 6, 8 means sum of these two is 8. Sum of 4 and 5 is 9. Sum of 5 and 3 is 8. But sum of 1 and 6, it should be 7. But here is written what? 6. So this is the odd one. So this is how you can do it. So question number 11. Wing commander, air marshal, captain, group captain. So let's see what is this. What are all these? Wing commander, air marshal, captain, group captain. What are all these? These are all rank. Okay, if you say these are all rank. Rank in what? Indian Air Force, or rank in the Air Force department. Like wing commander is a rank, air marshal is also a rank, but captain, we don't have captain in what? Air Force. So you should know there is no captain. We have got group captain. We have got this group captain, but we don't have specific captain. So this is like general knowledge for you. So this is the odd one. So question number 12. Let's see. 243 to 132, 183 to 54, 108 to 97, 99 to 63. Yes. So let's see what is the odd one here. So, so you check here. Oh, see here. At least one of the number is even. Na here. One odd, one even. Odd, even, odd. But here both are odd. So odd one means both are odd here. See, luckily. So this is how you have to observe it. It's not like you start subtracting it. Okay, if you subtract also you will get some numbers. Obviously, you can subtract it. There are so many ways, but by looking also you can find out the answer. Like what is next? Question number 13. Chennai, Daman, Rajpur. It should be Raipur, huh? Raipur and Shimla. What are all these? Chennai, Daman, Raipur. It should not be Rajpur, it should be Raipur. Huh? Okay. And Shimla. You see, Chennai, these are all capitals. No? Chennai, Shimla, Raipur, these are all capitals except Daman. Daman is not a capital. This is the odd one. Like general knowledge again, you see. General knowledge also can be asked in analogy and classification. Let's see here. Sirius, Proxima Centauri, Deimos, Alpha Centauri. So all these are what? Like Sirius. These are name of what? Star. Sirius is a name of star. Proxima Centauri is also name of the star. Alpha Centauri also name of the star. But what about Deimos? Deimos is a satellite. This is a satellite. The rest are all stars. So you should know it's a name of a star. So this is a satellite. Again, general knowledge. So let's see the last one, question number 15. 289033751728 and 1131. See, some pattern you can get from here. Yes, some pattern you can get here. So you see 581. I hope you have learned cube of a number, square, cube. Now, what cube is 3375? This should click your mind. 15 cube is 15 cube. You will get what? 3375. This is 15 cube. And what cube is 1728? Like ending is to 8. Na? So that it can be 12 cube. Just try 12 cube is 1728. Yes, it's correct. Now, what cube is 1331? This is very common. This is 11 cube. 11 cube. Okay. 15 cube is this. But anything cube which will give you 289 with 2890, we don't have such numbers which will give you like cube. Like if I say 10 cube, 10 cube will cube 10 cube will be, how many zeros will be there? 3 zeros will be there. Single zero cannot be in a cube. Single zero cannot be in a cube of any number. Now, so this is the odd one. So I hope we have understood. We have done all together 15 sums. You should practice by yourself again. And if you have any doubts, please let me know. Thank you.